It's me again, Catherine, and today we're going to do some painting. It's gonna get a bit of messy, so I already got my apron on, and I hope you do too. So what we're going to do today is some rock painting. Have you ever heard of it? It's pretty self-explanatory, so we're just going to get some rocks. I got mine from the garden. I have found a few of them. So if you want to do some treasure hunting, you can go to your garden right now, find a rock, whichever size that you like. I'd like mine to be around this size. So these are the things that I need. I have some paint brushes. I put it in a jar filled with water. I have my tape. This is to mask where I want the paint to end, so it will look neat, and a scissors to help to cut it. And then I have my painting palette. I have some glue. This one is optional because I want to put some googly eyes on. I have a jar of googly eyes here, but if you want to just draw it, you can skip that part. And then I have jars of paint. I have black, red, yellow, green, blue, and white. These are the basic colors that you need, but if you want to find more colors like purple, pink, you can easily mix them. First thing first is to make sure that your stones are clean. You will want to wash them in the sink with soap because it has been out there. Who knows what it has touched? So, and then once your stones are clean, you want to dry them up and then get your paintbrush ready. The things that we really like to find in our garden is bugs and beetles. So maybe we can start off with a ladybug. I think that's a pretty easy one to do. The other stone, please move away for a moment. Alright, so I think the one that looks like a ladybug the most is this one. So I'll start out with this one. If you have a rock that doesn't have a white color as a base, I suggest that you will paint it white first, so the color that you want to put it on will stand out even better. Because if you have another color base and then you just paint over it, it might mix up with the base color. So you want to paint it white first and then paint the color that you want on top of it. While waiting for our rocks to get dry, here's another fun idea to do with rock painting. We can do a tic-tac-toe set for garden play. So what we're gonna need is a little pouch. I have this linen pouch. I think this is the perfect size for the stones. So you might want to get around 10 stones. So we can divide 5 X's and 5 O's, and then we're gonna put it all in the bag and we're gonna play. Right, so we have our tic-tac-toe stones, and then we have our pouch, and we're gonna draw like a grid onto it. And we can start to play. So I'm just going to put the X right here, and then the opponent goes, oh, we'll put it right here. You can put it right here, then right there. And once you get all that, you're gonna want to clean it up. Just put it to the side, open up your pouch, and put it in. And there you go, you can bring it to the next garden party. I hope our paint on the other stones are dry by now. Yes, they are. How to check if your paint is dry is by touching it. If it has no transfer of paint, I already have this paint from before, but yeah, it has no new transfer of paints, so that means it's really dry. So I'm going to start with a ladybug. I like this part to be the head, so I will draw on that side, make it black. If you still can see the background, you will want to do another layer on top of it. Okay, and now once you get the head, draw a straight line down the back. Alright, so now we're gonna wash our brush, and then I'm getting another brush because I'm using another color. I'm gonna use red for the wings of our ladybug. You're gonna do it slowly, make sure it looks neat and nice. I'm going to do it on the other side. And then you wouldn't want to put the dots right away because the paint is still wet. If you put the dots right now, it will mix up with the rest of the color. So we're gonna leave it to the side, wait until it gets dry. While waiting for that, we can make our other bug. So now we got our three friends here. We got the ladybug, we got our snail, and we got our bee. The last thing we're gonna do to make them look more playful is to put on some googly eyes. I have a jar of googly eyes here. I'm gonna open it up, find the little googly eyes. I have 2 for the bee, 2 for the snail, and 2 for the ladybug. There you go, our very cute garden friends. Mrs. Ladybug, Mr. Bee, and Mrs. Snail. Hi, what are you going to do today? We're going to the garden to play. Are you coming? Of course I am. Let's get to the garden. So that's our activity for today. I hope you try it too. You can get your magnifying glasses, go out there in the garden, find interesting animals in your garden, and turn them into rock painting. See you again on our next arts and craft video. Bye!